molds are part of the phylum called fungus. Fungus is a phylum. It's separate from plants and it's separate from animals. But a phylum, after the phylum, you wind up getting kingdoms, and you wind up getting genera and species, etc., etc., etc. So there's like over 200,000 species of funguses. So they're all over. There's all kinds. Some groups of them are molds. Some are mushrooms. Right? Mushrooms are like the flowers, or like the fruit or the flowers. And the problem with mold is that it's going to go anywhere, and mold is everywhere. You'll never get rid of it. Mold is inside, outside. It's everywhere. And the thing about these types of organisms, they're kind of like the king of all the different types of organisms, are the fungi, because I mean they can reproduce sexually and asexually, right? Okay, they can either live on organic matter or not live on organic matter. They can survive thousands of years without anything. They form communities that are incredible underneath the earth, called Mycelia. Unbelievable communities. They're how trees communicate with each other. You know, in a forest, the trees are all connected underneath. It's pretty amazing. There are a few molds that are really unhealthy, so the one is you got to find out what they are. Okay. Now, one way to clean mold, okay, is you got to get at least 6%, 9% is better, of hydrogen peroxide. Because you can buy food grade usually enough at Whole Foods, I think. But you go and you can get hydrogen peroxide. You know, you can get it 35%. It used to come in food grade hydrogen peroxide. Half water, half of the 35, and you wind up with 17.5. And you keep doing like that. You get down to about 9, 10, 11. You spray the walls. Anywhere you see it, right? If they pulled it away, they found it any place, you just spray it daily. And that'll kill them. Peroxide kills them. Kills everything. Make it at 12%. You know, if you get, 98% hydrogen peroxide is rocket fuel. Okay, so it's pretty strong stuff. You know, one of the things you could do too is you could get some real strong ozone, a real strong ozonator. But the problem is if it's behind, it'll come back. You got to find out the problem, because they love moisture. They need moisture. They need, where there's water, there will be mold. So, you could get a really couple of powerful ozonators with oxygen, actually use oxygen, or a concentrator, at least a concentrator, oxygen concentrator. Put them into different rooms, leave them on for 3 days, 4 days, come back. You're really not going to have microorganisms left, but they'll come back because they're ubiquitous. Just like with our gut, just like with cancer, things like that. That's why you can never stop living healthy.